Hi everybody, Andrew Sharon, attorney at law here. I represent people who are injured in car accidents, and I'm a personal injury lawyer in Seattle. And I'm here to talk to you guys today about Seattle traffic and what they're doing to help alleviate some of the congestion, which creates a lot of car accidents, how that's going to affect Seattle driving and car accidents in the future. So just recently, Seattle City Council announced that they're going to be spending about $651,000 of the allotted budget on traffic timing lights that are going to help alleviate traffic from Mercer Street, particularly, and then move towards downtown around that area as well. Mercer Street is particularly one of the most well-known, highly congested areas in Seattle because it leads from South Lake Union to Queen Anne all the way across and to I-5, and also conjuncting with the 520 bridge and I-90 in between there as well. And so the thought here is to help alleviate traffic that we needed to have better timing systems on the lights that can be smarter and longer lasting for those roads reaching to highways and moving traffic along a little bit quicker. So I think that's a step in the right direction. A lot of other cities have these in place where the lights are timed and a little bit more adjustable timing too. So the main lights going through Mercer Street onto the freeway are going to be longer greens, which definitely needs to happen because it's really slow right now. It's like you get 20 seconds and then boom, it's red again, and you don't even go very far because everybody else is going pretty slow as well. And so the thought here is maybe it's going to be like a minute long or longer, and just helps get everybody out from downtown, pushes them all onto the freeway, which may or may not be a good thing. It may be pushing traffic back to a point where traffic's hanging out in the middle of the intersection from the freeways. But the idea is better. Get people moving out of the main intersections. People can easily get off of the side streets, so maybe a little bit easier too to get onto the freeway and move a little bit faster. What this could do though is create some more backlogs towards the freeway where there could be traffic backed up, people trying to enter onto the on-ramps and create more accidents that way. But I think overall this is a good thing to do where the lights will be more adjustable, where hopefully somebody's watching the lights and they can kind of determine which lights need to be green, which lights can be red. Some cities have it a little bit more so where they can um, figure it out and be more adaptable, change the system where the lights are green and red more readily. Like in Bellevue, they have a really good system set up where traffic gets out of there a little bit easier than especially downtown Seattle, where there's almost like none set up, especially for like some lights have the weight sensitivity on the ground where it shows when there's cars coming up, how many cars are kind of there, what the load is on the street right there, and then it can change. So I think this will be a good thing to help alleviate traffic from downtown, creates less congestion, maybe ease some of the road rage that's out there, and make traffic run a little bit smoother so there's less car accidents. There could be some question about whether these lights are timed particularly right, how fast the light turns from red to green, causing car accidents that way. There's a lot of things that the city could be at fault for causing a car accident if for some reason there's not enough delay in switching from a red to a green from each side. So ideally you want a little bit of a delay between switching so there's no green on one side and green starting on the other side at the same time, where the one goes red, someone's trying to make it through the intersection and the other side's already green, and then boom, there's a car accident in that case. But those often are really rare. Most lights are set up with a pretty good delay on them. So it'll be interesting to see what happens in Seattle with the new timing lights on this, and hopefully it's a good thing. Hopefully there's less congestion, less car accidents blocking traffic, and overall be a good thing for the city. If you've been in a car accident, I get free consultations. My number is 206-850-6716, and to learn more about car accident injury cases and personal injury law, visit my website, www.lawsharon.com. I hope you guys have found this very interesting, and hope you like my Facebook page.